everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about taxes in Odoo's company's currency. So, Odoo, a powerful open source ERP, offers a feature to display taxes on the invoice in the company's currency, even if invoice is created in different currency. So, this can be particularly useful for the business operating in multiple currencies or regulatory compliances in certain regions. So let's say how to enable the taxes in company currency. For that, we can just navigate into the accounting module. From there, we just need to head into the configuration settings. And under the customer invoices, we can find the feature, the taxes in company currency. So as you just drag down here, you can see that taxes in company currency. That means taxes are also displayed in local currency on the invoices, even if you're using the regional currency. So once this is done, you can just move on to the customers over here. And we just need to ensure that we have enabled the multi-currencies. So before creating the customer invoices, you can see that I'm going to the configuration, and under the currencies here, you would be able to find different currencies such as AED, USD, and also if you want to activate multiple currencies, you can activate that. Now, we also just need to ensure the primary currency of the company, that is the default currency. So, as you just move on to the settings, under the users and companies, here you can just manage with the companies, and we are in the company Cybrosys. And Cybrosys has the default currency as USD. So, whenever we just create an invoice with the regional currency, we also just need to get the primary currency of the company. So I'm going to the accounting module again, and I'll be choosing customers and invoices over here. And from there, we can just create a new invoice. And while creating the invoice here, you can see that we have an option to set the currency. That is, we can just use the regional currency over here. So I'm going to set AFN, and here you can see that USD is the default currency of the company. So you can also find the rates over here, that is the conversion rates. And now let me choose a product over here, and I'm going to choose a product which is customizable desk, and here you can see the price which is AFN, and you can get everything. Now we also just need to apply a taxes of 15%, and everything is shown over here. Now we can just validate the invoices. So once you confirm the invoice, you can say that the invoice will be moving from the draft state to the posted state. Now, if you want to find the taxes preview, you can just go to the preview invoice, and this shows everything. So this ensures that your exchange rates are up to date and accurate, and Odoo uses these rates to convert amount between the currencies. So you can see that the tax in the default currency, and that will be displayed once we have enabled that feature. And you can also find the taxes that is displayed in the regional currency that is used in the invoice. So that's how we just deal with the taxes in Odoo's yeah, company's currency. So I hope this video clarifies how to set or display the taxes in company currency. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.